Well, I'm leaving Tractor Supply this morning. Come out here to get me some New Holland yellow paint. I got it cleaned up and decided that the bottom part down there next to the undercarriage where the tracks are needs painting gray. And then at the back of the machine and at the front of the machine where the door's at, I decided I just wanted to get me some New Holland yellow. Touch it up a little bit. And that's all paint. I'm not going to paint the loader or the cab or anything like that. Just where all the rock contacts bent and it's skin up. Touch it up a little bit. We got the service work done on it. Everything's been put back together. I've run it a little bit, not much. And I just got to put the cover back over the valve body inside and get some paint on it. And it should be good to go. I've cleaned the inside of the cab. It made a world of difference. And then yesterday, me and Dad pressure washed it, put degreaser all over it, and after I got done pressure washing it and using degreaser on it, I turned around and I washed it with soap and a brush, trying to get all the stuff off of it. It had mildew all over it. Evidently whoever owned it left it outside all the time and parked it underneath their tree or something, because it had mildew all over it. We had to get it off. And I think y'all gonna be surprised how good it's gonna look when I get done with it. It's cleaned up pretty good, so we'll see. But that's what I'm into today. Yesterday we worked on a roof on a barn of ours that's on a piece of property we got leased, and putting it back together. I didn't get to film any of that because I was on top of the roof working, and Dad and them was on the ground. Got to go back again today or tomorrow whenever we get to it, and do the other side. So well, I got it all taped up. Now I'm gonna get down in the gaps down here where I couldn't get. I'm going to try to do it as pretty as I can. Even take the little taps up on there, so that way they wouldn't get no paint on there. Because they never had paint on their galvanized. And my spray gun. Where did the top go? I lose crap all the time. Alright. Let her fly.
Hadn't had a good time since you know when. Got talked into going out with hopes you were staying in. I was feeling like myself for the first time in a long time, till I bumped into some of your friends over there talking to mine. Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went high and stars quit shining. Rain was dropping, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Knew it was gonna be a long night from the moment when we locked eyes over whiskey on ice, started talking about us again. And if I would've just laid my drink down walk down. Well, I wouldn't be in my truck driving us to your house, but you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went high and stars quit shining. Rain was driving, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Category 5 with your smile blew me away, and girl, it ain't but midnight. You done killed the lights, bend my heart back to your bedside. Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. 'Cause I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went high and stars quit shining. Rain was driving, thunder, lightning.
Let me just show y'all how much better it already looks. A lot better looking at that old skin up, scarred up, rusted mess, ain't it? Amazing what you can do with a little rattle can. See, I taped all the plates across the side. Down here. Up and under there. All the way back around here. I gotta get me, see how that gray's looking now. Well, there it is. It's a different color. It's not quite the same, so that's gonna be a no-go. See all this crap down here? It's got rust on it. I'm gonna have to clean all that flake paint off and find me some more paint. Well, I stuck the back on it. It dried enough to show y'all what it looks like now with the back on. I didn't repaint the panels now, and they look pretty good compared just putting them up against one another. I mean, you can tell it's got a few little scratches and stuff, but it's not bad. Walk around the front, show y'all. Got all down in there, painted sides. The road, you'd think it was brand new. It's got these nicks and stuff in this sticker that they've got stuck on here for that, but ain't nothing I can do about that. I ain't worried about it. Like I said, the main thing is just get the rust off. I gotta get this paint ordered now and get it here so I can paint these. Call Monday, I guess. Have them bring it down Tuesday morning for me. Today's Friday. So get that sprayed, and it'll look pretty dang good. Probably flip it if I wanted to, make money on it. After everything we done to it, got her going again, or going pretty good. But I'm keeping it unless it keeps tired. Unless it keeps tearing up. If it keeps tearing up, then it'll be going bye bye. So we'll see. But I like the operation and everything. We'll see how it does. Alright, as y'all can tell, it's outside. Just wanted to give y'all a little look at it. Now that it's out here. Got it all painted. This down here hasn't been painted yet. As I said earlier, it's rusted, but y'all can see how much better the back end looks. I went ahead and my grandpa wanted me to paint this grill. It had some brown rust in it. I painted just the grill parts. I didn't paint the outer parts of it, just the grill. Because I didn't want it to be obvious that had been painted over this. and it matches pretty good that way. The hatch has got to be painted still. I got around to that. Let's hop inside. I'll show y'all how clean this thing is. Now that I got in there and cleaned it out, it's better. Whoa, I don't fall and kill myself. Get in here. Go. Ah, quit hollering at me. Okay. We're in. I mean, young. See, remember these are gray, solid. They've been cleaned. They still got a little bit of gray on them. I can't get it all off. The dash has been cleaned. The headliners above. Put the fuse panel cover back on. The back vents have been cleaned. As y'all remember, this was all fell down. I put all that back up. Put the trim back on. Cleaned this overhead. It still has stains on it. I don't know what they did to it, but cleaned all the gauges. The windows are nice and clean. You can actually open the back window now. Before you couldn't. I had to pull all the tracks out and clean them, and now it opens and shuts. So that's nice. The back window's been spotless. The front, you can't even tell there's a glass there. Down in here on the sides, I cleaned all that dirt that was in these corners and everything out and off. The handles have been cleaned. The bottom down there is all clean now that it's got the hydraulic fluid out of the controls. It's clean. It even smells good in here now. It smelled bad. Cleaned the fire hydrant too. But you got her cleaned up and looking good. Still gotta get my gray paint to go on it, and I don't know what's gonna be happening in the next few days. Me and Dad was talking about it earlier. I think he's got spring fever now that I got this mower hooked up to the 5400, and I think he's wanting to cut some hay. So we've got a couple fields that's a little bit ahead of everything else that's seeding out, and they need cutting, but there ain't much there because it hadn't rained. They're black and they look really pretty, but when you get out in them, they just ain't no fodder or anything underneath. So I don't know how heavy or how much we'll get off of. They do need cleaning off, so that may be what's coming up next week. So we'll see. Today's Saturday. I'm just messing around in the shop and everything today, and we'll see what we get done. I got to get a few other things done before. Still got to go spray. That's why the tanks are sitting there. I got to go back up to Jasper and spray. I got another cattle farm ours to spray still. I've got 2 little patch hay fields, but I ain't gonna even fool with spraying them. They're not really worth it. They're all total, they might be 5 acres of both of them. So then we've got 1 or 2 more cattle farms. So I've got at least a day left at Jasper I've got to go do. I'm waiting on something before I go up there that's percolating. I don't know if it's going to work out or not. It's actually been going on for a while, and I don't know if it's going to work out, but we'll see. Y'all have to stay tuned to find out what that is. It's something like this thing. It's might be new. Every spring we get try to buy something just for tax write-offs. So if it's something small or big, this year it looks like it's going to be big stuff. So I don't know what's going to happen with that. So, but thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up and stay tuned.